kailangan ko nang gamitin ang huling baraha ko laban kay Judge. Si Atoy.
Mag-iingat ka.
Nakarating ko lang, alis ka na agad, attorney.
May mga kailangan pa akong asikasuhin.
Sige. Mag-iingat ka.
Sige.
Yes?
So, napag-isipan mo na ba kung anong isasagot mo sa proposal ni Daddy? Are you going to be Rosario's next governor? I've just changed my surname to Balmores officially. Legally, of course. Bigyan kitang copies nito?
Alam mo, I wonder kung bakit ako at hindi ikaw ang pinili ni Dad na tumakbo bilang governor. Now I know. Because between the two of us, my dear sister, ikaw ang desperadang hayop. I don't think Dad nor this province deserves a governor that's thirsty and desperate na kailangan pang ilagay sa papel ang bago niyang apelyido para lang pumapel. My dear sister, I'll see you soon, Elizabeth Balmores. Take care.
Meron ako ibang plano para sa'yo. Public office is not for you. You'll just be governed by rules. At yung mga kagaya mo, hindi dapat natatali ng mga rules. You know that. You know, honestly speaking, I can see myself in you. Parehas tayo ng pinaghulmahan. And with you by my side as my fierce warrior, nothing and no one can stop our rule. Hahawakan natin ang Rosario para natin isang tunay na kingdom, my princess.
Thanks, Dad.